everyone and welcome. Today I'm doing a yin yang nail art inspired by the last makeup look that I made on my Instagram. I'm going to walk you through the process starting with a base coat to prep and protect your natural nails. Then moving on to the base color, I'm using this cool tone gray from Sassy and it's called Almond. I'm first coating my nails very thinly so I can just go back in and build up the opacity with another layer. I got away with 2 coats with this polish until I achieved a very opaque and even coating. I'm not actually sure why this nail polish is called Almond because it's gray and almonds are never gray. Nevertheless, we're moving on to the next step. I used a darker nail polish with a very similar hue, and this one is from Essie and it's actually a dark green. Using my nail art brush, I'm placing dots on the middle of each side of my nail, and after that, I just connected the dots to form a diamond. Once that's laid out, I created a line across my nail midway between the bottom and the middle section of the diamond. And that's pretty much it. I'm just repeating the process to the rest of my nails. I did the same thing to my other hand using my left hand, which was kind of hard and awkward to be honest, so I had to tilt my right hand to create the straightest line that I can possibly muster and make it look as even and similar to the one that I did on my left hand. Now I left my ring finger nail out because it's going to be my accent nail. An accent nail is the one design that's different from the rest to create a contrast. The odd one out, if you will. I sometimes do 2 accent nails, but for this one I chose to go solo. For the accent nail, what I did is I outlined the shape of the yin yang first, kind of an S shape, but for my left hand here, it's a reversed S. After that, I'm just taking the brush straight from the nail polish bottle and filled in the rest of the space. Using my nail art brush, I placed a dot with an opposing color on each opposing side to finish the yin yang. So for the gray side, I used the green polish. Then on the green side, I used the gray of course, since those are the only colors I'm using here. And then I'm just repeating the same process on my other hand. Since it was a reversed S on my left, I did a regular S shape on my right hand. Now this nail art is actually inspired by a photo I saw on Pinterest and I just did my own spin to it by using gray and green rather than the usual and regular black and white to break the mainstream. Now to seal the deal, I'm just using a top coat to lock the design in place and to give an additional shine. Now the quick tip is to load up the brush and dab the excess on one side of the bottle and glide that on your nail. Remember to glide the brush and not drag so you don't smear the design we worked so hard on. Let it dry and then once you're done, just clean up the sides with a Q-tip loaded up with nail polish remover, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, it's free, and comment down what you guys think. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!